Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Sometimes it's just too darn cold, too darn windy, just too darn wintry to enjoy your drone outside. That's when it's time to take the action inside.
Yeah, it's just the thing doesn't land on your head. It's so close to landing, and then it like bounces off your rubbery scalp.
There we go, into the hair, into the hair. Stand. Like it. There we go. Now you can't control anything because there's something buzzing around your head. Yes, yes. Here we go. Landing. Not even close to that. Yes!
That was me coming up into the
No, I knocked you out
You
of the
did
sky.
nothing.
Look, I'm still flying, sir.
No, you're not. You got knocked down as well.
No. Not true. Fake news.